Have you tried combining sweet banana and mango to make a delicious, creamy smoothie? If not, this is your sign to try it today. So, I'm going to blend together 2 medium ripe mangoes, 1 to 2 bananas, 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of milk, and the juice of 1 lime. And of course, you can't forget some sugar. I've got about 1/8 of a cup of sugar here. I'm just going to blend this all down until you get the sort of thick texture that you see here. You want to chill it in the fridge and serve it with ice. Enjoy this delicious smoothie. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.